This video is going to show you how your students will navigate the 8th grade math readiness escape room. This is intended for incoming 8th grade students as it reviews prerequisite material from 7th grade that they need to be successful in 8th grade math. When your students put in the website, which is no longer housed on a Google Sites, they will click Begin Mission. Here they will get all the background information and the things that they need to complete this escape room. So the night before 8th grade orientation, the entire math network crashed at the school. So they are now locked inside the school until the system is restored. How do they restore it? They solve all 18 clues to bring the system back online. So they have to find and solve 18 clues while avoiding decoys. Decoys are just little pitfalls meant to emulate a real escape room. So here is the scene that the students will search for and find everything that they need. So they will click around the room, finding clues. So there is a digitally fillable worksheet that the students can use. Either you can print it or assign it electronically, or they can just use a sheet of paper. When they come to clues, they will write down the clue. So for instance, clue 15, they'll write down the answer and go back to the scene to keep finding more clues. So they'll keep clicking on things, finding clues, writing down the clue number and the answer, returning to the room, and then occasionally they will come to a pitfall. These are decoys. Decoys are just meant to emulate a real escape room and meant to show the students not everything that's clickable will lead you down the path of success. So they'll click Return. When they are ready to enter all 18 clue answers, they will click on the button that says Enter Answers. Now, if they accidentally click on that, no problem. They can just click Oops, take me back, and it will take them back to the room. But if they are ready, they'll click on Yes. Now, they'll come to basically 18 password-protected pages where they'll have to put in their answer for each clue. So they just type it in. Let me type it in correctly so we get the right answer. Hit Enter, and it will bring up this individual lock page. It'll say, Congratulations, you cracked the code, but you're not done yet. Open all 18, and then you will escape. When they have entered all 18 answers, they will get this final congratulations page. We'll tell them they've escaped, tell them how great they are. Unfortunately, because this is just housed on a regular Genially website, not on a Google Sites, because Google Sites were creating problems for some schools, there is no way to submit this. So you won't get a report of all of the students' answer submissions. I would have them simply take a screenshot of this page or turn in that digitally fillable worksheet as proof of completion. Or if you run this as a class activity or a paired activity, you won't need that anyway. So I hope you love it. This is a great way to kick off 8th grade, first weeks of school, get the kids excited for math. Get this at Teachers Pay Teachers, Math Hop by Jackie B. Thanks so much.